Yeah, mate. Now there's meant to be 2 of these saws in this box. And I thought, film this just to see if there is. Why is it all covered in ants? I've been really impressed with this G382. It's a good little saw for a homeowner. But I have work on doing this pork wise, so I want to see if I do have 2 in the box. It's a real big box. I'm talking about chooks. It's chooks. So it's a wide box, okay? So I'd like to see if it said, because I try to look on the tracker on this thing, and you can't track it. It's, said they said it, and I couldn't see where it was, so on the ship. So I always brought a wise there. I filmed those things, guys, so if there's a problem, you got to film. They can't deny it then. I know I've had problems, bad oil pumps, all sorts of stuff over the years. It's always wise to film. Yeah, put it on YouTube, it's just good for your own thing. Oh, here we go. Because when I ordered this, it said 2. 2 over the picture. It didn't say 2 in the order. It's weird. For $100 bag each. Pretty good deal, I think. So let's do that, I think. Go, come. They smell sauce. They get to come out. I'll keep the box. Big box. There's 1. There we go. There's 2, okay. Make sure they're all in one piece. This one here was been opened before, probably custom to that. It's cut already here. Australian custom, maybe. Like that. So they get warm right out there, guys. Only 38 degrees today. I'll be going back in the shade very soon. Alright. Plenty of air bag things in the box. More. Hot popcorn. Lots and lots of popcorn. Give that. This one here. I really use it. I do recycle, but I send the saw back to the owner. I pay it with this. And sometimes you can use the bottles used for petrol and oil. These things, I use them as packaging. Why not? Don't weigh much. Alright. Well, they come with the kit. The toolkit. I'm ready for the old man now because it's only in the morning. About 12 o'clock. Alright. A small oyster scratch, not as small as that's terrible. Anki 4 free. Yeah, 4 and a 3. And don't fill out that. Oh, what? Screwdriver. Screwdriver. And even comes with the tag on the bag. Look at that. They buy one from us. Comes the book. What is it for you girls? There's the book. That's 1. That package is good though. I think it was the box, okay? Got box up. I bought 2 because it's easy to do with these girls and learn how they work and see how much power it gets. These are modern design, it was straight over the port, so I want to learn different techniques. Tools. I got tools. All 3, yep. Screwdriver, wrench, and yeah, 4 free. That's all I use them. How do they do that? Fold it up. Oh, okay. 2 folds up. The dudes of Velcro, they fold them up twice to get clunk. I'll use that. Book. The book. The most of the books are all the same, except they change the number on the front page, I think. Apart from that, they're all the same. Haven't seen no difference. Oh, it's getting hot. Oh, yeah. Nothing in that. That's 2 boxes down. You talk? Yeah. Let me choose. They feed the you can give bad rotten food, moldy bread, whatever else. They love cat food, dog food. Well, they go run out here and eat all dog food, dry dog food. They love. So does ducks. They love dry dog food too. But they give you eggs, and eggs are one of the best foods you can eat. They can digest stuff that we can't. So why not look after chooks? One of the chooks is Paul. She's in the tree there. She's a real quiet chook. She comes up to me in the shed and talks to me. All the food there is, but she comes and talks. She's a funny girl. She was the one that had heaps of chickens underneath the box beside you guys. Didn't know where she was. Thought she was dead. And one day she came back home, but I think it was 11 chickens. 11, yeah. Or no, 9 chickens. Sitting there. Keep that. No dogs. I can't find no dogs. No dogs are on the floor because there's bits of cardboard. Oh, these are the same. They look like so far. There you go. The dog is on the floor already. That's good. Yeah. Got the cover back on. The cover's I've got my braking gauge already. You can do everything. Well, I think that's a when your cover's been your brake gets engaged like that, you disengage and put your cover back on like that. You get to line up. It's easier to undo your nut and line up there's 3 fingers. Line the 3 fingers up at the hole, put in the hole and unlock it. You have nothing there. And they're no longer. I don't like that idea though, it's a dumb idea. But they look good. And there's fuel actually in the pump. Look at that. There's fuel in there. That's weird. I didn't even fuel there. But I love the fuel cups. A flippy cap. Yeah, I smell petrol on that. So maybe they're starting now with petrol. Wow. That's different. I thought they started with gas. So I had to buy let me tell you. I had to buy some new air fills. I don't like the air fills they got. I'll pull off it soon. When it comes to Australia, what do you get with sweet ass off? Humidity's so high here at the moment. Right, so we got a tea bag air fill. Like a cheap tea bag thing. Now that comes up, they let it crap into the saw. I buy the heavy duty flux one. Flux. I like it, it's on well though. They're light. And for $100, cost. What are you doing? Well copied, I should say. I like having meat actually. Oh, there. 1, 2. And those clips are just a nice tight clip. I've got a X-Talk 382 and the clips on that keep going undone. About me even trying, they just fall apart when you rip the saw. Look at that. Oh, they're going one of that too probably. But at the moment, it's good. Yeah. Look on that, make sure she's right. I had all these, they ran out of stock when I wanted them. All of a sudden they came back in. But for a homer, I think it's perfect. Perfect. Be careful where I cut, guys. Of course it's blunt. I got different cylinders one from eBay and one from AliExpress, and I wanted to know which one works better. So it's just why I'm doing this, just to see on the program on my channel, buy parts overseas, which one works better and how they work differently. And sometimes Chinese made stuff is different. That's why I like they're actually different. You find the way they're produced, just they give you different power levels. I thought you guys were doing the what? So you can do it yourself. Simple as that. Right, that's out. That's on. That's off now, right, okay. Like that. Right back, okay. Just check the air filter. Make sure the internals look good. Because you're surprised. You'll find, you do a video and you find the air filter's no good. Film everything, guys. Have a look. Not hard. No holes. No, it's good. Yeah, pull the levers here out and up for the choke. They come off so you do that. So if I'll show you. Pull it out, up. Here's your remit. Off it goes. They're quite well weighed saw. The clamshell. But I think they're running quite well. The one I've got now, this girl here, I was impressed. She runs really well. What they cost me, they cost more really for postage or shipping than the actual store. I think it was $100 to post it or ship it. It was $100 for the store itself. To me, it's a very good deal. And not super heavy, but because I'm falling apart, I have to now concentrate on smaller saws. I ordered the big saws from time to time, but the smaller stuff is what will be nice to my back. Simple as that. If someone's big saw done it, we'll do it. I pay for it in different ways. Now let's write that. I wonder if I can get the one disengaged. Basically, done that one. So I hope I can see you guys. I'll be in contact first. My father got stuck in this. All the guys that stuck in this. I made it come to the workshop. I used to work heaps of times. So glary. Hard to see what I'm doing here. There you go. So try and get them in spot, in focus. Undo the nut. Oh God. That's pretty. Because of nylon lockers, you can't just unwind them with your fingers. I replace the nut for a normal nut. Now it comes off. That's actually still on there, okay? Almost in. You gotta get the line, that part there. And they're hard sometimes. Almost. Guys usually bring them to the workshop, get fixed, and yeah, you can rip them off if you want to, but we didn't do that. These ones causing a bit of a problem though. Yeah. Because they're breaking the gauge, it's hard to get the thing to ungauge enough to push it back onto where it should be. There you go. See? Easy. So just make sure everything lines up and everything. So there's damage on the actual clutch cover and chain there you go, I can see that. Bit of damage there. But I'll clean that up, it'll be fine. Can't be fingernail. That was done by factory. The thing there, this spacer. I use that and then was for shipping only. Shipping. Right there. Yeah. That back on there. Engage. Disengage. Simple. Simple. I'll stop and do a group photo. Call that video. I have you to here. I wasn't sure if they come with all the problem with Trump and Biden and all the crap, wars and stuff around the world. Now we've got Chinese ships off the shore of New South Wales. Not far from me really. They're 500 k's. Yeah, beautiful. There's one here. And it's worried, will they come? Or they're holding on to, I don't think they're holding to chainsaws. They'd be dumb holding on to chainsaws. But I want to make sure I got my stuff I paid for. I've got to work hard for this, guys. Got from my superannuation. Life. Dipping into my super to enjoy life while I can. Do some work on these, port them up, modify the mufflers, and then sell them if someone wants one. The person who didn't serious forward and wants a bit of power but didn't like the weight. And there's a lot of guys out there who don't want weight because they're old and it hurts their back. So at 70cc saw is not what you want. You want something you can handle. Doesn't hurt your back. And these are with bar and chain, bloody wonderful. Alright guys, I'll do me I suppose. Just make sure I had everything here. I'll pull them over first, make sure they pull over. Pretty fine. You pull it out, up full choke. One click down it's fast oil and one more click it's back to normal. So up, full up it's choke. One click down when you fire it's fast oil. Get down. Yep, fast oil. Then down, push it down. Else you push it down like that. That turns it off and reset start again. So off, reset to start again. If a key comes along and pulls the bastard, it could start. And there's no decon valve in this. Now one of the cylinders I do have is a decon valve that comes up through here, I think it is. And I have it covered that. So what was that one? That was AliExpress with decon valve. Memory. So I want to see if the decon valve, which is my father's got a 450 one of these, or 455. He got the decon valve, and these don't have the decon valve. So I want to see what cylinder will perform against which one. So I've through these guys now. I'm going to keep the original for a baseline. Of them that one there. If you move the spark arrestor out of the muffler, okay? So it's all done. So apart from that, sucks in, and really it's a really nice tool to work with. If you're cutting up stuff under 20 inches, it's just light, it's nice. Yeah, more to come in the hand shop. Alright guys, over and out. Thank you for watching.